Gold and silver traded with moderate bullishness for the day. We have seen gold hitting 26.55.56, the first resistance zone, while silver has moved towards 30.25 levels. What to expect now from the metals with the US session? Can we expect a rise here, or the metals are again going to drop? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detail and logical levels so that you can profit throughout the day. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first. We look into gold, followed with silver. Watch. See, gold on the early charts after taking the support from the 20 period, we have seen it bouncing back again. It has breached the zone here. Most importantly, it has failed to break below the support levels here. So now for the day, 26.44 is the only level below which we can expect slight bearishness. And in fact, if it stays below 26.44, we have to wait for it to trade below 26.34. That is the only level below which you can say the gold is turning bearish. While at the same time, we have seen a bit of a struggle here in gold on the upside towards 26.55.56. So that becomes the level for us to initiate a buying position. The stochastic looking down here, the MACD is also trading with bearishness. The RSI is almost running flat here, not indicative much here. On the 2-hour charts, when you look at, the observation is similar on the 2-hour chart. See the rise, the retracement taking the support from the 20 period, trying to bounce back. But now, because see the preceding two candles have posted a double top here, and hence I will wait for it to now break beyond 26.55.56. That is the zone beyond which now I'll recommend a buy. Beyond this, more bullishness should prevail. Right now, it is trying to erase some of the gains. And also notice below 26.44 and 26.40 is where slight bearishness should be there. Right now, it is precisely positioned in a no trade zone here. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD almost running flat without any divergence. RSI is running flat as well. On the 3 Notice on the 3-hour chart, the preceding candle has posted higher highs, lower lows, and now the median it needs to break. In fact, beyond 26.52, we can expect slight bullishness, but ideally beyond 26.55.56 is where the bulls are waiting. Notice what has happened. A reversal sign is seen, support levels from the 20 period, and with that we have seen a rise. It can still bounce back and it can still recover, but right now the momentum is not so aggressively bullish here. Also notice what has happened. See, this is a zone of consolidation here for gold, and thus it is very important for it to break this and then this double top levels at 26.65. Only a movement above 26.65 will confirm the reversal here. Stochastic comfortable. The MACD is trying to again converge or crossover for a sell. RSI is running flat here. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. Notice the preceding two candles comes with higher lows and higher highs. So it is right now, I can say that it is still trading in this bullish channel. Only a breach below 26.44 and then 26.34 is the confirmation of reversal. Yes, it is trying to trade with moderate bearishness. I'll wait for it to stay below 26.44 in order to confirm a selling position. As what is happening here, after a good swing, it is trading in this consolidation zone, and a breakout here should bring stronger momentum on the upside. The crossover here in the moving averages is a good sign for the bulls. Also, the divergence in the moving average is again a very good sign for the bulls here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is also in green, the RSI is flat here. Coming to on the daily chart, see today it is traded in a very narrow zone between 26.45 to 55 levels, and thus it is very important for it to come out of this. On the upside, yesterday we have seen gold posting a double top levels. Also here the 20 period and 50 period moving average are indeed a very good support here. So right now I can see a bit of a struggle here on the upside, and on the downside now for the daily charts it has to break beyond 26.65, and then once it breaks beyond 26.65, see we are looking forward to 26.76.80 zone as well. Yes, these are the highs it would like to break, but right now I can see the momentum is missing on the upside. Also the resistance here from this zone is pretty strong. And now what is happening, you should notice this, after this drop, after this decline here, gold is trading in this retracement channel. So either it has to hit the top of the channel or it has to breach below on the downside, which will confirm the reversal here. Right now it is precisely positioned in the same zone. Stochastic has dropped a bit. The MACD is still rising on the daily charts. It is trading with divergence. It is staying bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is rising as well. So consider, I will now recommend a buy at 26.55.56 zone, though you can buy 26.52, but it is slightly risky. Wait for 26.55.56 to be taken. Expect 26.60s, 26.65, and once 26.65 is taken, chances are high that 26.71 and in fact 26.70 678 should be there. Beyond it, more bullishness, 2685, 2700 levels should be seen. The momentum right now is missing. It has to get collect together, and then the buyer says to come in. Once it breaches the resistances on the upside, the momentum will be seen. Right now I can see a bit of a struggle, thus trade with caution on the upside. On the downside, before I provide you the selling levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. On the sell side now, I'll recommend a selling entry at 2644 levels, expect 2640, 2636. 34 as the first target zone and then towards 2630. If 2630 is taken, stay short for 2624 and then 2614 levels, below which if it trades below 2614, I think we are looking forward to a greater correction. This might head below 2600 and then lower levels are also possible, but I'm still not so aggressively bearish in gold. There is still a possibility of a recovery and a rise. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's move to see silver on the early charts today has formed one base at $30 levels here. See, yesterday it was 29.90 and precedingly it was 29.80. So this zone between 29.80 to $30 levels is very, very critical for silver to break below. Only and only if you see it is staying below these two levels, you can say that the bears are back. On the upside now, 30.25 and 30.40 are the two levels. Once it breaks, I will look forward to 30.60, and if 30.60 is taken, we are looking forward to a greater rise. Now see, the stronger the base, because see, it has spent good enough time here at $30 levels, and thus it is very, very important for it to break 30.29.90 levels. If these two levels are taken, then you can expect more bearishness here. Right now I can see a struggle here on the downside by silver. Stochastic looking down, the MACD all again on the crossover for a sell. RSI has dropped, though the MACD on the hourly charts has already taken a sharper dip here. Now coming to 2 hour charts, likewise on the 2 hour chart, see, after forming a support, it has seen a rise, preceding candle, a swing candle. Current candle can also be a bullish candle, but I can see it is starting on a slight bullish note. But till $30 levels, I will say, or rather till 29.90, I will not recommend you to take a selling position in silver here. Stochastic flat, the MACD is right now trading with divergence and bearishness, and this is the only worry point which I am having. Rise retracement, it could continue to stay bearish. That is one worry point I am having on the 2 hour charts here. RSI is dropped here, which is sign of bearishness. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, see, one observation here. Look at the preceding three candles, higher lows and higher highs. It has consolidated enough and delivered a greener candle. So now, as long as $30 levels is not breached, we should be cautious here with the sells only below 30, or rather I will say till 29.30, 29.90. We have to be cautious with the sells here. Retracing here, it can bounce back up again. Also notice the 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands. Both are a very good support here for silver on the downside. Stochastic here is rising. The MACD here, this is only worry point I am having, because see, the MACD crossing over here, trading with divergence, it's not a good sign for the bulls. This is a slight bearish sign, and specifically after a little retracement, it is looking downwards. So a slight bearish indication it is. RSI has dropped here. Again, it's a bearish sign it is. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation here. See, higher lows are seen and preceding two candles. First of all, the support levels here are pretty strong, then higher lows, so it can still bounce back, it can still recover strong here. That is what I am looking at, that there is a possibility of a recovery and a rise, though I can notice that the silver has taken a formed a very good support, and it is right now trading with divergence and bullishness. But yes, once it breaks below 29.90 or 29.80 levels, more bearishness should prevail. Right now I can say that though the bearishness is active, but hardly takes one single candle for it to reverse the trend. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD crossing over here for sell. This is again not a good sign for the bulls. Trading with moderate bearishness here, we have to be cautious here. On the upside, only buying entry should be about now 30-20, 30-25 zone. RSI has dropped as well, which is again signs of bearishness. Coming to on the daily chart so far, see, higher lows, lower highs, zone of consolidation. Let it stay below 29.90, which will confirm it. 29.90, 29.80 should be a good support zone, else it is might retrace towards 29.60 or in fact 29.40 levels. So at these levels till 29.80 today, you have to be cautious. Recovery and a rise cannot be denied. However, we have to be cautious. See, the moving averages here are trading with divergence and bearishness, which is still a bearish sign here. The stochastic at the top, while the MACD after the crossover here at the bottom, it is trading with divergence, which is sign supportive for the further bullishness. RSI is staying flat. Considering this, I will recommend a buy. Silver at 30-20, 30-25 zone, expect 30-40, 30-60, and in fact 31. Yes, if it stays above 30-60, sky is the limit on the upside. While on the downside, now 29-90, 29-80 is the ideal selling point, below which you can expect more bearishness, where you can expect 29-60 or in fact 29-40 levels. Any drop below 29-40, I do not see any reason for us to stay bullish if it stays below 29.40. More bearishness should prevail there, where you can expect $29 levels and 28.80 till 28.80. I think the recovery cannot be denied, but right now I can see a bit of a struggle here on the downside as well. So be watchful today. 29.90, 29.80 should act as a greater support. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.